Some security cameras can only do 94-degree field of view. Some can do only 120-degree field of view. But this camera can do 180-degree field of view. It can pretty much see everything. Alright, we have a new exciting product to review today. It is a Reolink Duo 2 4K Wi-Fi outdoor security camera. It has great features like 180-degree field of view, 4K resolution, and a lot more. Let's dive into the review. Let's dive into the camera's picture quality and performance. I have to say, I'm extremely impressed by the video quality and 180-degree field of view. It is amazing how much area this security camera can capture. Basically, it is two cameras in one. Reolink also made some great improvements in the Duo 2 Wi-Fi model from its previous gen, especially now the images automatically stitch together and it works in everything, in the app, web browser, RTSP streams for your NAS, and all the other recordings. The position of the camera has been improved as well, and it is almost perfect. The 4K camera's video quality is excellent and can clearly see the objects in the distance. In the daytime, video is crystal clear and performance of the camera is great. And there's no problem with capturing fast-moving objects. The camera's motion detection works flawlessly during daytime or nighttime, and you can adjust the settings in the app. There are two streams available. One is called Clear and the one is called Fluent. As the name suggests, Clear has more resolution and higher bitrate, which is a mainstream. So you have to make sure you have a reliable fast Wi-Fi connection, or another option would be to use Ethernet for Clear stream option. Then you have the Fluent stream, which is low bitrate and can be used if Wi-Fi signals are not strong enough. But both streams are capable of producing great images in my opinion. Can capture all the details required from security camera standpoint. Moving on to the nighttime video quality, the camera again does a great job. The nighttime video is also very good. The default IR mode video quality is really sharp, and IR LEDs are strong enough to cover the majority of the field of view. Following are the two footages we capture with the house lights turned on and off, both showing great detail to capture the intruders. The camera's motion detection is extremely fast, and I mean really fast. Following is a clip to review the motion detection and alert notification speed. The alerts were almost instant and precise. It also depends on your Wi-Fi connection as well. As soon as you enter the specified monitor area or default motion coverage zone of the camera, the built-in spotlight turns on and switches to color mode automatically, which gives a clear view of the intruder and also helps to scare them. The camera's spotlight is extremely bright and can be used as a general spotlight if you're trying to find something in the dark around the camera installed area, and can be manually turned on and off from within the app. So basically you have two cameras plus LED spotlight all built into the one camera, which is a huge plus in my opinion. The camera has a built-in speaker which can be used to talk back to someone, or you can use the built-in siren to trigger a loud alarm to deter the intruders or warn them. Following is an alarm sound sample capture standing around 5 feet from the camera. It is pretty loud for sure. Overall, the camera provides one of the best video qualities for both daytime and nighttime in my opinion. Now let's dive into the build quality. Overall excellent build quality with great attention to detail. The body is made out of metal, so it will last the test of time without any problem. It supports dual Wi-Fi band, 2.4 gig and 5 gig bands, and it has dual Wi-Fi antennas for better Wi-Fi signal reception, and you can adjust the antenna direction as well. Dual lens setup up front with IR LEDs and built-in spotlight, which is extreme bright in my opinion. And there's an Ethernet port if you choose to connect via Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. And there's also a built-in speaker at the bottom with built-in microphone. And there's also SD card slot also at the bottom. Let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have a manual, quick start guide, and other useful documents, an Ethernet cable with water protection sleeves, a power adapter, an extension for power adapter, mounting screws, an included screwdriver, Reolink Duo 2 4K Wi-Fi camera, and dual Wi-Fi antennas. All in all, great overall packaging. Now let's look at the specs. Camera has 4K resolution, 8 megapixel at 20 frames per second, 180-degree field of view, 60-degree vertical, and 180-degree diagonal, 3.2mm fixed lens, 30-meter night vision IR LEDs, built-in spotlight with 560 lumens brightness, two-way audio with built-in microphone and speaker, micro SD card slot with 256 GB max, H.265 video format, motion detection, smart alarm, IP66, and much more. Now let's look at the camera setup and its app. Setup Reolink Duo 2 was extremely simple step process. First, download the Reolink app from Android or iOS App Store, plug in your camera to Ethernet port of your router, and just follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. In the app, you have plenty of options to configure. Starting from the left menu, allows you to access Reolink Store, product registration, support center, new deals, and much more. Moving on to the main, you have a camera, cloud, or IoT options. On the camera tab, there's also a small settings button, which shows all the information about the camera network it is connected to. It displays settings where you can adjust the video quality, adjust the resolution, frame rates, and max bit rate for each stream. Here you can also set the camera name, brightness, and more. In the advanced settings, you can set the image stitching and also adjust the black and white color switching threshold. By clicking on the camera, it will open the camera stream and more options to play with. Here you can click the talk button to tap and talk to the camera speaker, and there's also a playback button which shows you the playback videos, dates, clips, and more. Right under the camera stream, there's a pause button, speaker button, photo capture button, so you can manually take photos if you want. And then you have a video recording button for manually recording footage, followed by the stream options, clear or fluent as mentioned before, and followed by the rotate screen mode. Moving on to the detection zone settings, here you can paint or highlight the detection zone by paint the location or use paint all options, adjust the sensitivity, alarm delay, and object size options, and more. Also, there's a trigger audio alarm button and spotlight on and off button. There are plenty of options to choose from in the app. Overall, I really like the app and all its great features. Let's do the final summary. I really like the Reolink Duo 2 4K Wi-Fi outdoor security camera. The camera's overall performance and video quality is one of the best. The 180-degree field of view is a game changer, and it can capture extremely large areas and helps you buying a single camera instead of multiple cameras. One of the best part is you can access all your video footage from the app, which is stored on your microSD card and no cloud subscription required to download them to your phone, to your PC, or to your NAS. This is a huge plus in my opinion. Basically, you have two cameras and a spotlight all in one solution. It saves you a lot of money from buying all these separately. Also, Reolink app works flawlessly and it is easy to understand with plenty of configuration options to choose. So if you're in the market for a security camera, I highly recommend you should check out Reolink Duo 2 4K Wi-Fi outdoor security camera. Let me know what you guys think of the review in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.